Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we have here a sill, a door sill. We're going to show you how to replace a door sill. This one is deteriorating and we need to replace it. There's some brick at the bottom that also deteriorating. And I want to walk you step by step of how to repair this yourself. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. I'll take you over there, show you what it looks like and explain to you what we're about to do to replace this sill. So as you can see here, we have a crack right in the sill. It's pretty much in a bad shape. The bricks underneath started to deteriorating. So our job here is to remove all those bricks underneath the bottom of the door sill. Take that sill out so that way we can install our new sill. That's what's coming up right now. Okay, so finish the clean out. The next step is to get a broom or a leaf blower. And you want to make sure that you blow out all the excessive mortar, dust or debris that you might have underneath here. So that we're gonna get a flashing. We're gonna get a staple gun. We're going to staple this right underneath here, and we want to fold this on a 90 degree. We already have piece underneath here, but I'm going to fold mine just like you see I'm folding it right here. Bang it right on and come right across with it. Now we could put one more piece up here, or if you want you could just tape it off to just one roll of tape up top, or if you want to put another line, I'm going to just tape that off nicely. Try to get your tape right up on underneath if you can. I'm going to bring the tape right over. I'm going to put another piece of tape up above. Now what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to fold the tape so that way part of the tape can reach up underneath the sill here. With watertight, there's no way no hair can pass and go underneath. So we basically wrap it on a 90 degree way up underneath here. After we know that everything is nice and secure. No hair won't be able to pass and escape and go inside. Beautiful. And do the job, do it once, do it good once and for all. Shortcut around here. Now we have this nicely the way how we want it. We need to do a mortar color match. This is the mortar. It's closer to like the regular mortar, but it just have a little bit of coloring in there. So I'm gonna try to see if we can work this. We can color match this mortar here. Let's see. So first we're gonna add a bit of water in our bucket. We gotta mix it around a little bit. So somehow I thought my camera was recording, but as you can see, that's the mortar. I think that's pretty close to where we want to be for the color. Hey, quick break. Let me show you some things that is helping me on the business side. to drive all the way back to a customer's house just to collect a deposit. Not anymore. Now with Jobber, I send the quotes, the customer approve it, pay the deposit, and I'm ready to get started. No extra trip, just to collect a payment. Try Jobber for free. The link is in my description. Come and thank me later. All right, let's get back to work. Sure, feel this is nice, guys. Other guys. Here a little more, yeah.
These bricks are over.
Just go up. Just rock it like.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Come on.
Okay, you get it.
Wait a little more.
I'll straighten it off there. That's right.
Good? Yeah.
Still is super heavy. Where's my tip?
So you want to make sure that you have. Actually, it's actually good. Yeah, it's actually good, you know. So you want to check for slope 4 5/8. This side one's going a little bit. 4 3/4. 4 3/4. Gonna check again for slope. We're good for slope. More than good. You actually don't want it, it's good now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's just for slope, it's way more than enough where we have it. 4 3/4. 4 3/4. Perfect. Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. If you have any question regarding this sill installation, Go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. I'll swing by and answer them. Be safe out there.